second video ever, so please subscribe if you haven't already.
Subscribe to him. His channel link will be in the description below. Go check out his channel. Subscribe.
What are you doing?
And subscribe to Nick Green TV.
I'm plugging your channel.
Are you vlogging too?
Yeah.
And
Of course
subscribe
you
to
are.
Nick Green TV too.
They already are
Please,
after watching.
of course, vlogging.
Of course, I vlog a lot. That vlog, like, what's up? Okay. Okay. My little sister coming up in vlog, folks. Oh, Brianna. Oh. Call you red-handed, didn't you?
I deleted the one, but I'm gonna redo it.
I'm plugging your channel for subscribe.
Plug. Always plug. Be a maverick.
Yeah, he's in the low
Be a
gang.
maverick.
She's in the low gang. You're in the low gang, right, Brianna?
Yeah.
He's in the low gang. I'm in the low gang.
Team 10 sucks.
It does. I'm not trying to start any YouTube drama, so don't say that.
Hey guys,
She's poop.
what's up, Cocky? Oh, I messed up.
Redo that intro.
am.
You can do better. What are you asking?
You know what our faces look like?
Not really.
We have the same cheekbones.
High cheekbones.
Hard cheekbones.
Pretty sure everybody has. Kind of strange, isn't it?
Yay. Oh, come on. Why 7 minutes?
Logan Paul forever.
It's kind of strange. Stranger Things. I'm a savage.
I'm doing
Yeah.
freaking hard.
Yeah, this comes really hard. His channel will be in the description below. Go subscribe.
Since he got stuck.
Do you know how to look? Do you know how to put links in the descriptions?
Ow.
He's been gone forever, so we really
I've
missed
been gone
him.
for like 3 months, if not more. About a year, actually.
Yeah, 2 years.
Yeah.
No, not 2 years.
A year. Because he had a baby.
About a year.
Yeah, about a year.
Wait, you don't live up there anymore?
What?
No.
You don't live up there anymore?
I mean,
I told you.
no.
I know, but
My dad.
what are you doing? She took pictures of me. That's not nice. That's kind of strange.
Stranger Things.
Wait, is that your phone? No, that's Dad's.
It's Stranger Things.
Kind of strange. Stranger Things.
It was like this. I'm like,
Like, how
He's
you
been gone
doing?
forever. Because
Like,
I don't know
what are you doing right there?
but the next time, next time I'm here, it's gonna be like 2 weeks.
Go up there.
Okay, good.
Get your down right now.
So I get to see you every 2 weeks. Okay.
As long as I can.
Subscribe or I will hunt you down and I will kill you.